What are you doing, man?
Taking the mouse-infested, gross interior out of this thing.
Smart.
So we can check the floors. They sound pretty solid though, so hopefully they are.
Hope so. If not, stop signs.
Less interior replacing, the quicker we can get to making it go fast.
Yeah, more fast stuff.
I think maybe one of the doors breaks.
Oh, maybe. Oh, it smells like rat shit down here.
Yeah, this is like the grossest part of this whole thing.
I don't want to wear this. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's wet. One hole? That's not bad. It's wet though. This is not that bad, actually. My side's not bad. That's better than the dirt was. One spot right there. How's your side? Fuck, your side's actually solid. Oh, that's solid. That's the only hole.
Sick.
Maybe check right here. No, this is fine. Right here, right in that corner right here. Nope. No, this is sick. That's huge.
That's so easy to fix.
I have sheet metal literally right there that I'll fix it with.
Just rust convert it and leave it in a peephole.
It doesn't. They're supposed to have drain holes, but I didn't put any drain holes in the dart. Okay, that's huge. Now the back.
Watch your mouth.
Oh, see, that side's a little bit wet. There might be something there, but my side, it has no surface rust whatsoever.
Ooh.
I think we're okay. That's our only spot we gotta fix.
It's literally just exterior stuff. We'll have to clean it, like scrape it up, vacuum it out good.
And then just spray a shit ton of rust converter on it and leave it.
Get rust converter on it.
I have some. Sweet. I like how a part of this interior is red, part of it's white. I don't understand.
I think somebody must have like started replacing stuff or something. Or maybe it's just a late 70s thing.
Yeah. There it goes. Holy shit, look at all that wheel well we're gonna have to cut out.
We should just get a 50-gallon drum, cut the wheel wells out.
Yep. Straight across the whole back.
Yeah, like a
Oh, that's pretty bad, actually. No, you just probably... That door will be fine.
the doors a little inside. See that light for a second? Okay, so there's an inner fender, that's just the outer fender skin. There's an inner fender behind that.
Yeah. Like this part right here.
Yeah, it's just the outer fender. How much of a body line's?
Just this one right here.
And it's a little bit rounded, but
Like that you can build with Bondo.
like we're not auto body experts.
No. I've done it, but it still sucks.
And I mean, really, the end goal for the car is not to be some fancy show car. Pretty much just cutting the rust out of it so it looks half decent driving down the street. We're gonna paint it ourselves. Nick and his dad had his dad's garage set up for painting. So we'll just blast it. I'm thinking blue. I was looking at colors the other day, and we'll just blast her blue and get an LS in it. And then the goal from there is to road trip it and drive it to as many kick-ass events south of the border as possible. Gotta love living in Canada. all the cool stuff goes on down south, but it'll probably be a regular at Castrol. End goal is Turbo LS, drag week. Who knows when that'll happen. Like, Dreamy Me says 2-3 years. Realistic, maybe not, but gonna try. Only thing stopping us is fear and common sense, right? And lack of money.
Boys and girls, hopefully, whoever
Whoever.
you want to be, car people. That's it. This is our first video. Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe. If you don't, fuck it. Thanks. Love you. Bye.